there's so many games to play right now, but favorite game to stream might be, uh, I wanna say horror games, but I can't take horror games too much because they can make me go crazy with how scary they get. But they're so exhilarating sometimes on stream to play that
Yeah.
I love to play horror games on stream, and I
Oh,
think
yeah.
my chat does too.
I think
It's hard to
chat
pick the games these days,
Yeah, I
so
think viewers love scaring the shit out of content
yes.
creators.
Yes, exactly. They want content, and that's
And
content.
and we got the best time of month coming up.